known for his carefree attitude, while Sam was intelligent and capable. He had one major flaw. He never valued his time, whether it was completing his homework, helping with chores, or preparing for his exams. He always procrastinated. His favorite phrase was, "I will do it tomorrow." Sam's parents and teachers often reminded him about the importance of managing his time wisely. But their words fell on deaf ears. Sam believed that tomorrow would always give him another chance. Days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months. His schoolwork piled up and he started to fall behind his classmates. He grew anxious and overwhelmed but still could not bring himself to break the cycle of wasting time. One afternoon, after another long day of avoiding his responsibilities, Sam wandered to the park. He sat down under a large oak tree, staring into the distance, feeling the weight of all the tasks he had left undone. An old man noticed the troubled look on Sam's face and sat down beside him. "You look like you have the world on your shoulders, young man," the old man said kindly. "What seems to be the matter?" Sam sighed heavily. "I have so much to do, but it feels like I will never have enough time to finish everything. No matter how hard I try, I just can't catch up." The old man smiled thoughtfully. "I see," he said. "Let me share a story with you." Sam, curious and hoping for some comfort, nodded as the old man began. Once there was a great king who ruled over a prosperous kingdom. He was wise and well respected, but like you, he struggled with managing his time. Despite his many duties, he would often waste hours on trivial matters, leaving the important tasks for later. One day, a wise sage visited the king and gifted him a magical clock. The sage said, "This clock has the power to grant you extra hours each day, but it comes with one condition. You must use the extra time wisely, for once wasted, those hours will never return." The king was overjoyed by the gift and eagerly accepted it. He promised to make the most of every extra moment. For the first few days, he kept his promise. He spent his extra hours learning new skill, strengthening his kingdom, and spending time with his family. But as time passed, the king grew complacent. He began wasting those precious extra hours on meaningless distraction, forgetting the value of the gift he had been given. One day the magic clock stopped working. The king called for the sage, demanding to know why the clock no longer gave him extra time. The sage looked at the king and said, "Time is the most valuable treasure in the world, and once it is wasted, it can never be recovered. You have squandered your gift, and now the clock will give you no more than what you already have." The king was devastated, but it was too late. He realized that while he had the opportunity to make every moment count, he had let it slip through his fingers. From that day forward, he vowed to cherish every second, but the lesson had been a hard one. The old man finished his story and looked at Sam, who was deep in thought. "Are you saying that I have been wasting my own magic clock?" Sam asked quietly. The old man nodded, a king smile on his face. "Exactly. We all have our own magic clock, though we may not see it. Every day we are given a limited number of hours, and how we choose to spend them determine the course of our lives. The task you put off today will not disappear. They will only grow heavier tomorrow. But if you start valuing your time now, you will find there's more of it than you think. Sam sat in silence, reflecting on the story. For the first time, he understood that every moment he was wasted was a moment he could never get back. He realized that if he did not change his ways, his dream of success might slip away, just like the king's extra hours. From that day onward, Sam resolved to manage his time wisely. He began by creating a schedule, setting small goals for himself, and tackling his tasks one by one. It was not easy at first, but with each completed task, he felt a sense of accomplishment. Slowly, the mountain of unfinished work began to shrink, and Sam found that his anxiety faded as well. His grades improved, his confidence grew, and he discovered that by valuing his time, he was able to achieve more than he had ever imagined. Successful businessman, often telling the story of the king and the magic clock to young students who struggle with the time management just as he once had. Moral of the story: time is the most precious resource we have, and once it is gone, it can never be regained. Every second you waste is a second you will never get back. By learning to manage your time wisely, you set yourself up for a success and a life free of regret. If this story resonates with you, share it with those you care about, and remember, every moment counts, so make the most of it.